Yes, good day, guys. I'm here again in one of our private project. I'll show you how they are going to install this shoring jack support for the suspended slab. Yes, see, this is how they install now this shoring jack. Okay. Uh, you can see what is the distance of the shoring jack. Actually, it was designed on the weight of the concrete slab. So this is an engineering works also. This is now the make. See, okay. The spacing of the 3x3 lumber also, and the 4x4 lumber. See, that's very clear. So it's very clear on how they are going to how they install the 4x4 and the 3x3 lumber, which the plywood will be set. Okay, now same as this one also, this the same. uh, this is the elevator open. I mean, this is the elevator. See now, I hope by tomorrow I show you how they are going to fabricate the reinforcement bar on the slab. See, they have they made already a stripping. They already removed the shoring jack. I think more than 12 days or 2 weeks. I mean. Hello guys. How are you? Alhamdulillah. SP شكل now.
هذا بيم
أيوة.
partition beam
Okay.
boundary.
Mondri.
أيوة.
شوف أنا في شوف. Okay. دقيقة.
هذا بيم فوق.
Yeah. See guys, this is now the slab. Okay. Yes. Now on the other side, the plywood slab is already ready. That's why I'm telling you, tomorrow they will start fabricating the stirrups and the beams and the rib slab also as well. See, you can check here. The rivers there downstairs. The hollow blocks is there. This hollow blocks is using on the horde blocks for the slab. Okay guys,